Hey guys, Ray Reed here for Freedom Friday, episode number 3. Today I want to talk to you guys about protecting your mindset, and even more specifically, whether you control Facebook or whether Facebook controls you. Part of that's going to be talking about the importance of protecting your mindset. The other part, I'm going to share 5 tools with you guys that have helped me stay inspired even when I succumb to that craving to hop on Facebook. So let's talk about the importance of protecting your mindset. All things, understand this, all things start with your mindset. Your happiness, your achievements, your freedom all start with your mindset. And if results are the name of the game, right? If you want to achieve a certain level of freedom and results, you have to get results to achieve that freedom. Results come from what? They come from your actions. And then your actions come from your thoughts. Now your thoughts can come from many different things, but one of the biggest things that they come from is your environment. And in today's world, all of us spend way too much time on Facebook. So if we're gonna spend that much time on Facebook, let's make sure it's inspiring time. Let's make sure it's serving us and not distracting us from what's most important, right? So to share the 5 tools with you that have helped me stay inspired, number 1 is a website called Rescue Time. Rescue Time is a website or a plugin that runs in the background of your computer that tracks every single website that you go to and every single second that you spend on each and every website. Then it sends you a report at the end of the week with how productive you were that week based on whether the website was productive or distracting, and you can change that, which is awesome. But a management guru named Peter Drucker once said, what gets measured gets managed, right? So if you don't measure it, then you can't manage it. Even simply just getting this report once a week to know how much time that you actually spent on Facebook is real eye-opening and can really help you change your habits and make you do things that are more productive, right? Number 2 is a tool that we all have access to. It's on Facebook. And when you see a post, a link, a video, in the top right-hand corner, there should be a down arrow. And that down arrow, it's a drop-down menu, and you can use the unfollow option. You can unfollow somebody, a page, a person, or whatever, if that person isn't adding value to you. If you're not being inspired by that person, if they're negative, if they're a victim, or even if they're neutral, you want to protect what you're taking in with your mind, right? Because garbage in, garbage out. So if you don't want to completely unfriend the person, unfollow is an awesome option. I use this all the time. Anytime you have new friends, they automatically show up on your news feed. You can easily just unfollow them. They stay friends, but you don't see their stuff. Number 3 is another tool that's already on Facebook. It's under that same drop-down menu, and it's the save option. The save option allows you to save a link, a post, a video for later. The way that I use this is I see a lot of interesting articles, a lot of articles that will help me be more productive or will help me achieve my goals. And if I literally read every single article and watched every video that I come across that was productive, I would spend the entire day on Facebook. And we all know that consuming is not as good as creating. So if you want to spend most of your time creating, you have to set aside a time. You have to interrupt the interruptions, right? So you have to set aside a time each week that you can go through and watch these saved videos. And you want to, constrain that time to a certain amount of time every single week that you would watch those, instead of just watching them as they come up, because you and I both know it's easy to go down that rabbit hole of opening up one article, clicking on a link, going to another article, clicking on another link and going to another article, and 3 hours later you're like, where the hell did the day go? The 4th feature, the 4th tool, is called Newsfeed Eradicator. And what that does is another plugin or widget that you can use on Google Chrome's, I'm not sure about any of the other browsers, but definitely Google Chrome, that allows you to go, when you go to the Facebook, when you type in Facebook in the URL, the website field, and you go to Facebook, there is no newsfeed. There's the same left-hand sidebar and the right-hand sidebar. There's the search bar that you can use to go to somebody's page specifically, but you won't see a newsfeed, which prevents you from just scrolling through and wasting hours of your day. And if all else fails, guys, the fifth tool is called Stay Focused. And it's another widget that you can use that will, or a plugin that you can use that will block a website altogether. So if your most productive time is between 10 and 2, or you know you have to work on something, but you know Facebook is one of your biggest distractors, or another website is one of your biggest distractors, you can plug this in from 10 to 2, and it won't allow you to go to the website. It will block the website. So this is probably your best option, right? It takes care of the first 4 things altogether if you want to completely block it during a certain time. But if I were to give you guys one thing to take away from this video, it would be that your mindset is important. It's the most important thing for you achieving the goals that you have, the dreams that you have, the amount of freedom that you want to get, and you have to protect it. In today's world, with so much negative stuff everywhere, the amount of negative stuff is out there more than it ever has been before, and I really want you guys to protect your mindset and go out and do shit that matters, because that's what it's all about. It's about the freedom. It's about doing those things. And if you guys have websites or plugins or apps or tools that you can share with me that would help me stay more productive and stay more inspired, I'd love to see those in the comments. And I look forward, guys, to talking to you next week. Thank you.